Today we are at this year's Southern Living Idea House. What's really important to us as an architecture firm is creating buildings of high quality and lasting beauty and integrity. Historically, this was an area where people would come to escape to the country and retreat from the city. So retreat architecture was where our inspiration came from for this project.
The Charlottesville area is rooted in tradition and rooted in design. For that reason, there was a lot of thought by the design team given to what the concept was behind the 2025 Southern Living Idea House.
Aspects of the house that we felt were critical were big porches, tall ceilings, big windows, easy flow from the inside into the landscape. Looking at materials for a house, we are looking at something that's going to fit in with our aesthetics, something that's going to be durable. We've been using Hardie products for 20 years, as long as we've been in practice. Hardie just works perfectly for our architecture. It's durable, paints beautifully, holds up to our weather in Virginia. The Hardie Artisan Lap Siding we like because it has a stronger shadow line. It's a little thicker material, and so it feels very in keeping with the traditional architecture around here. The Hardie Artisan V-Groove siding works perfectly for ceilings. It harkens back to all the porch ceilings that we see on architecture around this area. Seeing the Hardie siding go up is always comforting because we know what we're getting. I think we use the exact same material on the 2015 Idea House. It's something that we use on the majority of our projects. So dealing with something that we know just makes our process easier.
Hardie siding and trim add value in both a performance point of view from their longevity, and from a design point of view, they really add value because of the aesthetic and what they're able to achieve with their product.
Our clients want something that is low maintenance, and this fits both our goals from an architecture standpoint and a maintenance standpoint. We would wholeheartedly recommend Hardie products to other professionals. It has served us well for 20 years, and we'll continue using it.